go, boys and girls. We're doing a little more math review today. The other day we practiced comparing sets and counting them to 5. Today we're going to practice again comparing and counting sets to 10. Okay? So you need to get this paper out of your packet. We're going to do the first one together just to kind of give you an example, and then I'm going to let you work through the rest of this on your own, okay? So here are the directions. It says count how many in each set, write how many, and then you're going to circle the number that is less. Now, this is the tricky part. For number 1 and number 2, we're going to circle the number that is less. Then for number 3, you're going to circle the number that is more or that is greater, okay? So let's do number 1 together. Let's get our name on our paper. And let's touch and count these starfish together. Everybody put your finger on the first one. And we're going to touch and count together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we're going to write a number 9 on the line. We're going to make a hoop and then a line. Let's come over and count these planets together. Everybody put your finger on the first planet and let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cross and slant down is a 7. Okay, for the first one, it wants us to circle the number that is less. Remember, less means not as many, fewer, we might also say. So which of these numbers is less, 9 or 7? What do you think? I'm going to give you 5 seconds to make a choice already. Which number do you think is less? If you said 7, you are correct. You should have circled the 7. 7 is less than 9. When we are counting in counting order, we say 7 first. All right, I want you to do these other 2 problems on your own. For number 2, you're going to count the birds and write how many, count the bananas and write how many, and circle the number that is less, like we just did. For the last one, you're going to count the boats and the fish and write how many, and for number 3, you're going to circle the number that is more or that is greater. All right, do your best work, and we'll do some more extra practice with math tomorrow.